Welcome to the AO Virtual Hub. I'm Todd Woodbridge, and you'll find me and some other familiar faces popping up across the hub, helping you experience the AO virtually from wherever you are in the world. On this platform, you'll get to explore the Australian Open precinct for yourself, finding exclusive behind-the-scenes video content along the way. You can navigate through the virtual hub by using the main menu, zone navigation, or clicking on any of the hotspots located on the screen. Get started by clicking on the welcome desk to access the precinct map and start exploring video content throughout the virtual hub. By selecting different zones on the map, you can see the content available in the 4 main sections of Melbourne Park. There's also a content calendar where you can see all the new videos that will be released each day. The precinct map, content calendar and video library can also be accessed from the compass at any time. Hover over a hotspot to see all the content available in that area and click through any experience you'd like to watch. In each of the 4 zones, there's a different video content for you to enjoy. You can watch musical performances from some of Australia's most beloved artists at the AO Live stage. On Grand Slam Oval, you can enjoy engaging food experiences in AO Dining, featuring our world-renowned chefs. In the AO Shop, you can explore this year's colourful new collection. And in Atrium, you can network with your fellow Virtual Hub guests. You can also use the chat feature to speak to guests logged into the hub as you move across the platform. Lastly, don't forget to visit your very own suite, where you can find special content curated just for you. To see all of the content available across the platform in one spot, head to Video Library. Here you can add a video to your favourites list to easily access it whenever you'd like, or simply click Watch Now to dive in. Now that you know how to find your way across the AO Virtual Hub, why don't you jump in and have a look around? And don't forget to check back in each day of the tournament, as new content will be regularly uploaded to ensure you don't miss a minute of the AO action.